Hi guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to make Thai stir fry noodles, or in Thai we call Pad See Ew. Pad See Ew is the popular Thai stir fry noodle that you can find easily on the street food. So let's get started with the preparing everything first. The first thing that we will prepare is the Chinese broccoli. This one is the key ingredients in pad see ew. And we're going to cut them to be the little pieces. If you don't have this vegetable, you can use also the broccoli, but the original one we will use the Chinese broccoli like this. The next ingredient is the rice noodle. If you don't have this in your area, you can make it by yourself. I will put the method in the description box below. First, we going to separate from one by one of the rice noodle, and then we add a bit of the dark soy sauce, and then mix it well until our noodle is absorbed with the dark soy sauce. And next one is prepare the vegetable or the Chinese broccoli. This method will help the broccoli is so fresh and nice color. So let's get started with we boil the water and add a bit of sugar, and when the water is boiled, and then we add the Chinese broccoli and boil it for about 1 or 2 minutes. And then we going to remove the Chinese broccoli into the cold water or the water with ice, and this one will make our broccoli is so fresh and look like a green color. The next step we going to stir fry noodles. First we gonna add the 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and then add some garlic. Stir constantly over medium-high heat until it's good smell. Then we're going to add the chicken or pork as you like, and also the seafood. Today we use the pork, and then stir fry it until it's almost cooked. Move the meat or move the pork into a side of the pan, and then add 1 or 2 eggs. Stir egg in center until fully scrambled. And we go into seasoning the taste by use the 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce and 1 tablespoon of the light soy sauce. But you can adjust the taste as you like, a bit more of the sugar or a bit more of the salty. And after that, add the Chinese broccoli. And this one Chinese broccoli already cooked, and then we just use only a little bit of time. And then add the rice noodle that we already prepared, and then continue to stir fry. We will add a bit of sugar like 1 teaspoon and also the pepper. Then just stir fry only a bit of time because all ingredients is already cooked, and that is. And this recipe is easy and delicious homemade pad see ew. And you can change for the vegetable, noodles, and also the meat as you like. Just use the same method. And I hope you like this recipe and keep this try for this recipe. So thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook. And see you next time.